Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. I'm Riku from Japan. This channel is all about the Go, which is an exciting and easy to stop board game. Today, I would like to introduce the most famous Japanese Go manga, Hikarunogo. If you are into Japanese manga or anime, you may have heard of Dragon Ball, Naruto, One Piece, and maybe Hikarunogo. Hikarunogo had been serialized decades ago in Weekly Shonen Jump, which is one of the most popular weekly comic magazines in Japan. At that time, Hikarunogo motivated so many people from younger to elderly to start playing Go. I hope you will like it too.
Hikarunogo is a Go manga which was serialized in Weekly Shonen Jump from 1999 to 2003. Weekly Shonen Jump is a very popular comic magazine which features Naruto, One Piece, and other popular manga. Hikarunogo was written by Yumi Hotta and illustrated by Takeshi Obata. Takeshi Obata is very well known as the illustrator of Death Note, which was also made into movies and TV series. Now, I'll introduce the story of Hikarunogo very briefly. First thing first, this Japanese word, Hikarunogo, means Go of Hikaru in English. The story begins when Hikaru, the main character, finds an old Go board at his grandfather's shed. He intended to sell the board for money. However, the board was haunted by the spirit of an ancient Go master. The master was Fujiwara no Sai, who is a legendary Go player from more than 1,000 years ago, from the Heian era. Then, Hikaru became inhabited by Sai, the ghost of Go master. Though Hikaru was not interested in Go at all, he finally agreed to start playing Go after Sai strongly persuaded him. I will keep going a little more, but if you want to enjoy manga without knowing the story, skip the video. For those who keep watching it, don't worry, I'm not gonna say the ending. For the beginning, Hikaru was playing Go just following Sai's instructions. However, it was changed when Hikaru encountered a boy, Akira, at a Go salon. Akira was at the same age with Hikaru, but already a great Go player because he was educated to be a Go master since he was little. Hikaru became interested in Go after playing with Akira and finding him a rival. Then, Hikaru accumulated experience at Go clubs, study groups, and with Sai. He became a pro, while encountering a lot of great rivals. Now, I'd like to introduce my favorite story of Hikarunogo. In the middle of the series, Hikaru started playing online Go so that Sai can play as he wants. Then, Sai's extreme skills started gathering significant attention from the amateur players across the globe. At the same time, Koyo, the father of Akira, who is one of the best Go players, was hospitalized for overwork, and he started online Go as well. Then, Sai and Koyo ended up playing Go together online. They had a fierce battle, but Sai was a step ahead and he won. After the game, well-known pros who were watching the game were thinking why Toyo was defeated. Then, Hikaru analyzed the game and pointed out a game-changing move which Toyo couldn't find. This is my favorite part because it's the first time Sai recognized Hikaru's ability and approved him as a Go player. Then, seeing Hikaru has come this far, Sai finally left Hikaru. It was sad watching Sai leaving Hikaru after those years, but I was also excited because Hikaru's life as a Go player with Sai begins from here. Now, let me talk about the reasons why Hikarunogo became this popular. While heroes of famous mangas have superpowers or they have a lot of dramas, Hikaru is just playing Go to be a pro. It might sound pretty boring, so why did Hikarunogo become famous? I think there are two major reasons. First reason is because anyone can enjoy it regardless if they know Go or not. I was also one of the readers who did not know the rules of Go, but I loved the manga without having trouble understanding it. It is not necessary to be familiar with Go rules to enjoy the story and the character's development. The second reason is about detailed psychological descriptions of characters. I enjoy the description of what they are thinking while playing Go games, as well as the characters' relationships. For example, in the story, people around Hikaru get confused because he sometimes seems like just a beginner, while he sometimes plays like a professional. Actually, that is when Sai is giving instructions. My favorite one is the lack of communication between Hikaru and his rival Akira. The change of relationship between Hikaru and Sai is one of the main parts too. I have so much to tell, but I'll stop here. Additionally, Hikarunogo helps you to learn Go and Japanese Go culture as well. For example, it is described in detail about Go salons and the INSEE system. INSEE are students studying to become a professional Go player in Japan. Hikarunogo is very recommended not only to enjoy, but also to know more about the Go and its culture. Let's grow up with Hikaru!
Today I introduced Hikarunogo. I hope you will become interested in it and would read it if you have never. By the way, you can enjoy Hikarunogo as anime, not only as manga. Anyway, enjoy it! Also, if you are interested in playing Go, I would recommend other videos of mine too. See you in the next video. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and be sure to hit the subscribe button before you go. See you in my next video.